Hello, guys. It's the Biblonged at Voice of Crypto, and today we are going to see what is going on in this market right now. So don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow Voice of Crypto everywhere if you like to know everything about Web3 and cryptocurrency. Um, Before we get into any TA or any news, I will just do a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. So if you're looking for a financial advisor, you should do your own research and find yourself one. Thank you so much for watching. Let's have a look on today's coin market cap and what is going on in the cryptocurrency world. The today cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap today is 2.37 trillion, 8.13% decrease over the last day with the dip we had on the Bitcoin price. And is it the end? I don't think so. We are going to have a look on the Bitcoin charts in a second, but right now the fear and greedy index, people are extremely greedy, around 883. But I think there is a lot of manipulation, and it's my personal opinion. You should do your own market research, but I still believe that we are on a bull run, and these kind of corrections are healthy, and we're likely to see. Also, we have the Bitcoin halving coming up, but let's talk about the price. Let's talk about the price. The current scenario here, uh, I was long in Bitcoin yesterday, but we had to exit the position as we broke out the falling wedge and we got rejected once more. We came into 68,400. So we got rejected around here. And if you did short this position, congratulations, that was an interesting movement. So what I'm personally waiting is to retest somewhere around 60,000, 60,700, and that would leave us into another long position. Also, 60K, it is somewhere around the previous support point. So, personally, okay, not financial advice, I'll be trading on the 1 hour to 4 hourly time frame these days to make the most and enjoy the volatility inside the crypto market. So, I think 60,000 USDT is where we have to watch for. And I don't really think that we're going to go deeper than that. It is a probability end of the day. So if you're long it right now, I'm not sure if it's a great idea. Just let's wait a little bit. Sometimes you got to step back, wait a little bit, and get in again. So 60K, it's the next level to watch on the Bitcoin price. But I personally believe that we're going to bounce back up once more and go a little bit further. Might be to 80K. So who knows? Okay. At the moment, I am currently waiting to take my next decision. Ethereum. The price of Ethereum is absolutely correlated to Bitcoin sometimes, but today what we've seen here, 1 second, let me move the screen. Okay, so I think Ethereum, it's a great long opportunity already for the reason that we already retested our previous support point, which is 3k 200 from the previous dip we had here on the past. So once we come to the support and we manage to go back up, it is a great signal. So on my perspective, it is a great opportunity to long Ethereum into the 200 AMA once more around 3k 600 to be proceeds. So that is what I am currently looking next for Ethereum. What you want to do though in this moment is to catch and enjoy the dips and the opportunities, And I think Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin at some point, as is just normal to happen. Okay. And we are going to have the Ethereum ETF soon as well. So you might just want to keep your eyes on the Ethereum prices. And yeah, I'm currently longing ETH. And let's have a look on Dogecoin as well, because I saw an opportunity at the Dogecoin. today. That is also the 1 hour time frame for the Dogecoin. As you see, I left the circle here, which indicates a buy momentum. So I am looking for Dogecoin to the next target price somewhere around 0.16. And from there, we have to exit and see what's going to happen next. But as long as we are holding this place here, I remain bullish on Dogecoin. And each time we dip, it is an interesting opportunity to long once more. So those three are my current trade for today. But I believe though we are about to see an altcoin rally very very soon. So stay tuned. We are going to go to the top moves, the top losers, the top gains. But I just wanted to tell you that we are going to see altcoins flipping the all-time high very very soon. Okay, and this dip is going to feel like nothing, but remember we are on a bull run, so every dip is going to feel a little bit hard because we're not used to this volatility anymore, but it's absolutely healthy and you just have to make the most of it. Coming back to coin market cap, um, let's have a look on what is going on the community. Dog with a hat bumps over 30%. New ICO Dogecoin 20 turns heads. Okay, so we have some exciting news here. Dog with a hat bumps over 30%. So as I mentioned before, I don't really know where is the top for dog with a hat, and I'm personally thinking that dog with a hat could potentially even go higher. If we go to the TA side, let's have a look on the graph itself. I will, that's the one, go with Fahab. It's hard to say where is the top, but I believe this meme coin has a lot to go, okay, to the upside. So we had this massive correction, which is interesting to keep tracking, and it is an interesting entry. Once you don't want to enter at the top, of course, but if we see another bump like the previous one, it could go at least to 5.0, and it's a lot going on inside the community on Twitter. On X, people are so excited about this coin, and they even have something else correlated with the hat. So whatever is correlated with the hat, it is an interesting token or meme coin to be looking at. Okay, just for the narrative, and it is bullish. So be careful if you are trading dog with a hat because it's extremely volatile. But if you do, and if you manage your portfolio, you can definitely make the most. Let's have a look on the top trading coins today. Well, currently, book of meme, boom. Okay, it look like it is a little bit like Pepe, but I don't think that is related to Pepe. Or if I do, I am not sure. So I'm not gonna say that. So this coin has been up 1,190%. Okay, it's extremely cheap, 0.01 cent at the moment. So if you are trading these coins once more, you should definitely be aware of what this is and what you can do with it. Okay, it is extremely volatile, but these opportunities are incredible if you can afford to lose, of course. So, in the second place, we have Arbitrum that is down 22%, and it might be an interesting opportunity for you to long, as I do think the altcoin season it is about to start. Okay, every time the Bitcoin is going down, we have to keep looking into altcoins and other tokens. It is just normal. People just, move the focus a little bit and start trading something else. So, Solid Swap also, we see that crazy volume on the 24-hour movement is 126.32% up, but is down 9% on a 7 day. So, there is a lot of opportunity as Trump Solana, as I mentioned yesterday, we had a little bit of correction in Sol, but again, you should definitely be doing your TA and longing once more when you see is the right time, because Solana it is going to do crazy things, and we see Bonk also in a movement 23% down today, but overall is performing really, really great, 222% up on a 30 days. So this kind of coins that has a lot of volatility, look at this one, Trump, Super Trump is gone up on a 30 days for 2,538%. So these kind of movements and this kind of volatility are the coins that you should definitely take a look on, and just make sure you are entering and exit in at the right momentum. But if you do coverly, it is an interesting and massive opportunity. Let's go over to today's news at Cointelegraph, just you know to keep up in every single thing that is happening, not only on a TA side, but also on the news. So, Ethereum name service founder reveals Vitalik Buterin faithful grant intervention today. That was done 26 minutes ago, so it's literally the latest news at the moment. And as I mentioned today, Bitcoin levels to watch next as BTC price risks sub 60K retest, as I mentioned. And as we saw it on a TA, we have to wait on the 60K retest to take our next step and our next decision. So the game firm stock triples after it buys Bitcoin Hong Kong in kind BTC ETF Asia Express. So we might see some movements also related to the Asian market. Bitcoin maxes are about to kick off the alt season as BTC turns institutional. As we also mentioned today, I think the alt season is about to happen, so you do want to keep tracking these altcoins. And the SEC hits with sanctions for a gross abuse of the power in their box case. Those are the top news today on the Cointelegraph. And if you are interested, you should definitely go to Voice of Crypto website that we have also our news section there. And guys, having all these movements and institutional money, we just the top community post today with just in world's largest 1.43 trillion pension fund in Japan looks into adding Bitcoin into portfolio. As I was just about to mention, we have all these institutions, big corporations, big players on a Bitcoin price and a Bitcoin game. I don't think that we are going to dip lower than 60K, but if we do, we have to manage carefully our movements and our trades. So I would definitely wait for the 60K level today to take my next decision. Okay, so let's move into the gainers and losers. Okay, so the top gainers today start with STX. The price is currently 288, has gone up 6.56% on the past 24 hours. APT, the current price is 15.47, has gone up 3.8% on the 24-hour movement. Phantom, it's currently trading at 0.9095 and is gone up 3.33%. And Sue, which is a great, interesting project as well, it's currently trading at 164 and it's kind of, around 0.38% up. So nothing crazy really on the top gainers today. But the top losers, we have Dog with a Hat. As we saw on a TI, it is an interesting time to start watching and taking place to the next long, because I think, again, Dog with a Hat is likely to double from the current price. And the entire talk around it, everything around this coin is being absolutely bullish. So 24% deep. It is an interesting deep to, catch on. And Bonk as well is down 17.20%. And, it's constantly dog with a hat and Bonk on the top coins, top meme coins all the time. So those are very, very interesting assets to keep tracking and keep looking into it. Uh, Five network is down 14%. 0.81. So I think this coin is likely to, surprise us a lot. So it's something that I would definitely keep tracking on, at least until $2 or something, but that's likely to happen very soon. Jupiter is down 14.25%, currently trading at 122. And I think Jupiter is an interesting one to watch as well. They got a lot of utility, also decentralized exchange, and it's just interesting to watch and see what's going on. So now though Flocky is down 30.68%, and it might be also an interesting catch for us. uh, if you really look into, dog with a hat and bonk, it is moving more than Floki. And I don't know if Floki will actually flip or be where these coins are. But if you look to the price itself, I think we have a lot of potential still in Floki. Okay, at least to, 10 cents, I would say. Solana is an interesting one to watch as well, is down 13%. Gala also the same. So those are projects that we know we are familiar with. And WorldCoin, it's also an interesting dip to watch. I would just personally, okay, not financial advice, I would just go to the ones that are on a massive, massive dip, because we like to see things like that are really, really down or really, really up. Okay, so more movement, bigger the opportunity is. And yes, guys, that was pretty much it for today. And I think, we should definitely keep tracking Bitcoin, and let's have a look on the 60K level. Okay. I think it's very important to keep watching this level today and see what's going to happen next. Don't forget to visit the Voice of Crypto announcement Telegram group and follow Voice of Crypto everywhere. I'll definitely see you tomorrow at Voice of Crypto. Thank you so much.